Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today we are going to recapitulate the topic microbes in human welfare. How microbes are used for the beneficial purpose of mankind. Children, in this we are going to discuss how microbes used in the household products, they are used in industrial products, and how the microbes used in the sewage treatment plant, how microbes used in the biogas production as biocontrol agents, and the microbes used as biofertilizers. So children, the microbes are used in your home as a lactobacillus, or we can say lactic acid bacteria. The lactobacillus converts milk to curd by producing acids that coagulates and partially digest the milk protein casein. The fresh milk can be converted to curd by adding some curd as an inoculum or starter containing lactic acid bacteria. It also increases the nutritional quality of the milk, like they increases vitamin B12. Children, we know in our stomach lactobacillus helps to check the disease causing microorganism, or we can say pathogens. Bacterial fermentation means anaerobic respiration is done in the dough. It is used to make the food such as dosa, idli, etc. And the puffed up appearance of the dough is due to the production of carbon dioxide gas. For this purpose, yeast is used. It is called the baker's yeast. The zoological name of the yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is used to make bread, cakes, other bakery items by fermenting dough. Children, we know about cheese. For the making of the cheese, like different types of cheese, mozzarella cheese, Swiss cheese, Roquefort cheese, we are using the microbes. Swiss cheese has a large holes due to production of carbon dioxide by Propionibacterium shamani is a type of bacteria, and the Roquefort cheese is ripened by growing a fungus called the Penicillium roqueforti on them. So, the next are subtopic how the microbes used in the industrial products. Children, you can easily see these large vessels, pictures of these vessels. So the production of the beverages, antibiotics on an industrial scale, we can say the commercial scale, requires growing the microbes in very large vessels. They are called the fermenters. The brewer's yeast. Brewer's yeast means Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in the production of beverages by fermenting malted cereals, fruit juices to produce ethanol. Wine, beer, all are produced without distillation process. But the whiskey, brandy, rum, gin, all are produced by the distillation process of fermented broth. The antibiotics we know is very important, very essential for the human beings. Antibiotics are the chemical substances produced by some microbes and can kill or retard the growth of pathogens. They are used to treat plague, whooping cough, diphtheria, leprosy, etc. Children, the chemicals, enzymes, and other bioactive molecules are also used in the industrial purpose so that the microbes are useful for making these products. For the organic acids, the acid producer microbes are include Aspergillus niger, which is a type of fungus which produce the citric acid. The another acid, acetic acid, is produced by Acetobacter aceti, a type of bacteria. Butyric acid is produced by the Clostridium botulicum or is a type of bacteria. Lactic acid is produced by the Lactobacillus. So these organic acids are produced by the help of microbes. Alcohol means ethanol is produced by the yeast. Yeast is used, we are calling the brewer's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is used to produce ethanol in commercial purpose. Different types of enzymes are used like lipase, pectinase, proteases, streptokinase in the industrial purpose. Lipase is used in detergent formulation, help to remove oily stains from laundry. Pectinase and proteases helps to clarify bottled juice because when we are making the juice in our home, it's not clear. Some fruit pulps are present, but in the marketed bottle juice, it is clarified by the pectinase and the proteases. The another enzyme is the streptokinase, which is produced by the streptococcus, which is used as a clot buster to remove clots from the blood vessels of patients who have myocardial infarction. Children, the cyclosporin A is produced by the Trichoderma polysporum, which is a type of fungus, and it is used as an immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patients. Statin is a type of bioactive molecule which is produced by Monoscus purpurea, is a type of yeast. So, they all are used as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. It inhibits the enzyme responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol. The hope children, I hope this topic is clear, and any query you can write in query box. Thank you.